Hello everyone. Okay, nagbabalik po tayo in our philosophy class. Okay, so it is Quarter 1, Module 1, Lesson 1. Okay, entitled Doing Philosophy. Okay, so as we continue, we are to discuss philosophy, especially doing philosophy. So when we say doing philosophy, ibig sabihin, uh, in other term, philosophizing, mas nakakabulol, okay? So, ibig sabihin, yung proseso, yung aktibidad, o yung paggawa ng filosofiya. Ibig sabihin, pag ini-apply mo na yung philosophy, you are doing the philosophy. So, these are the essential learning competencies, okay, or most essential learning competency regarding this topic. Okay, so these are the things to know and things to remember. This is our goal at the end of this module. Okay, so after going through this module, you are expected to accomplish the following. So meron tayong tatlong bagay na dapat ma-accomplish. Number 1 is distinguish a holistic perspective from a partial point of view. So this number 1 goal is ma-distinguish natin o makita natin ang pagkakaiba ng holistic perspective mula sa partial point of view. So ano ba ang pinagkaiba ng holistic perspective at ng partial point of view? Kung ano man yun, okay, wag excited, mamaya makikita natin yan. Okay. Number 2, realize that the value of doing philosophy. So, in obtaining a broader perspective on life. So, maunawaan, ma-realize natin at the end of this lesson na ang kahalagahan ng filosofiya, ng pagsasabuhay, ng pagpipilosop, sabi niya sa Tagalog, pagpipilosopo, okay? In a right way, syempre, huwag kayong mamali, iba po yung pilosopo sa paltarason, okay? So, maunawaan natin kung gaano kahalaga yung philosophy, okay? Yung pagsasapilosopo ng isang bagay, okay? Para magkaroon tayo ng mas malawak na purpose o pananaw sa buhay. So gaano ba kahalaga yung philosophy o sa pananaw natin sa buhay? Maunawaan natin kung gaano kahalaga yung pag-iisip, yung pagpipilosophize or yung doing philosophy. Number 3, okay, do a philosophical reflection. So at the end of this lesson, of this module, you are able to do some philosophical reflection. Kung paano yung gagawin, huwag kayong excited, okay, nasa introduction pa lang tayo, okay, on a concrete situation from a holistic, okay, perspective. Okay, so philosophical reflection. So that will be our output for module number 1. Okay, let's move on. So first number 1 of our topics are the nature and functions of philosophy. Okay, ang kalikasan at ang gampanin ng filosofiya. Okay. So, first of all, unang sa lahat, in order for us to understand the nature and function of philosophy, first of all, we must understand the philosophy, the term philosophy itself. Ano ba ibig sabihin ng philosophy? Yung salitang philosophy. Okay? Yung salitang philosophy comes from the Greek word philos, and sophia. Okay? Philosophia. Okay, philos and sophia. Philosophy from the Greek word philosophia. Philos and sophia. Philos means love and sophia means wisdom. So, philos, love, sophia, wisdom. So, therefore, philosophy is love of wisdom. Okay. Paano nangyari na related yung wisdom, yung philosophy yung love sa philosophy? I think, Sir Mark, yung philosophy is more on thinking, more on isip at utak at intellectualidad lamang. Actually, it's not that. Because philosophy need passion. Okay, need passion. Dapat, sabi nga nila, pusuan mo. Diba? Kasi ang philosophy ay hindi lang basta-basta. You need to put heart in it. Okay, like Socrates. Alam niyo ba, si Socrates, he died for wisdom. He lived for wisdom. Naghahanap siya ng karunungan. Okay? And a lot of philosophers, yun ang kanilang goal. Magkaroon ng kaalaman at ng karunungan regarding different kind of matters, different kind of aspects of life. So, like Socrates. So that's pinaiksi ko na kasi doon sa module ninyo, maraming mga explanation, but I get the substance itself. Okay, ano ba talaga ang philosophy? So philosophy simply means love of wisdom. So ibig sabihin ang philosophy ay kailangan ng passion sa wisdom, ng pagpupursigi, ng desire, okay, ng enthusiasm, ng tiyaga sa mga bagay-bagay regarding wisdom, sa katotohanan ng buhay. So that is definition of philosophy. Okay, next one is the origin of philosophy. Paano nga ba nagkaroon ng philosophy? How philosophy came into existence? Okay, so it started many years ago in the place of Greece, specifically in the western coast part of Greece, in the city called Miletus. Okay, doon nagsimula yung philosophy. Doon tinawag yung western philosophy, yung filosofiya sa in a western part of the world, sa kanluraning bahagi ng mundo, nagsimula ang philosophy sa lugar ng Greece, sa syudad ng Miletus. Okay? Hindi ko alam, hindi ko pa narating yon, pero kung gusto nyo malaman regarding that details of that, search nyo lang sa Google. Okay? So kung saan ba yung Miletus na yun. Kung gusto nyo puntahan, pwede rin. Pero hindi nyo naman, pag nagtinanong nyo sa mga tao, hindi na nila alam yan kung saan yun. Ang pangalan niyan ngayon is Turkey. Okay? Miletus, nowadays, is Turkey. Okay? So, sa lugar na yon, merong isang lalaki, ang pangalan niya ay Thales. Okay? Siya ay nabuhay 624 to 546 BCE, before Common Era or before Christ. So, this man ay tinawag siyang father of Western philosophy. So, tinawag siyang father of philosophy sa kanlurang bahagi ng mundo. Okay? So, siya si Thales. Doon nagsimula ang philosophy sa western part of the world. Okay? So that's the origin of philosophy. Let's move on to the next one. Okay? Philosophical activities. Okay? In order for us to understand the nature and function of philosophy, we must first realize the meaning of the word philosophy. Then we must understand how philosophy became to existence, o paano nagkaroon ng philosophy, and then yung history ng philosophy, and then another one is philosophical activities or activity. So philosophical activity, it is characterized with three things. So yung philosophy, kapag ikaw ay nagpi-philosophy or you are doing philosophy, when you are doing philosophy, ito ay merong tatlong katangian. It is characterized with three things. Number one, philosophy, okay, philosophical activity has a scope, okay, scope and involves the widest generalization. So, yung philosophy has a widest generalization. Ibig sabihin, napakalawak nito. Okay? Kung ang science ay tumutukoy lamang sa body of knowledge regarding kung ang biology may kinalaman lang sa buhay, 'di ba? Study of life. Kung ang English may kinalaman lang sa grammar ng English language, 'di ba? So kung ang mga tao ay nagfo-focus lamang sa kung ang industry ng pagninegosyo ay business lamang, so yun yung limit nila. Pero ang philosophy napakalawak nito. Okay? At naaabot nito ang halos lahat o almost everything ng aspeto ng buhay ng tao. That is philosophy. Philosophical activities. Okay? At hindi tayo nagmamalay na sa pang-araw-araw nating buhay, ginagawa na pala natin yung tinatawag na philosophical activities. Okay? Bakit? Kasi ang philosophical o ang philosophy is more on question, okay, asking question regarding one thing and answering it by simply analyzing using critical thinking. Okay? So that is philosophy. You are searching for wisdom. Okay?